Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Wayne from Overlanding. Our regular XT top 10. Recently we have just updated with something new accessories. So right now you guys can see this will be our side annex room, and you guys can just take a look at it. Really different with our regular one, because this one we have just using for the exchange one, and this is another point different is this is the side access, so it's a little bit different. And right now we will just zip the cover, and of course this is double layer, and this is the mosquito net, and it can prevent the insect and bugs away. Okay, so inside of the annex room, you guys can see the very obviously, and it's really tall here, and of course we know that our content installed here it will be here, and the top is close to 2 meters away. And we have just asking with our designers, and they told us the square meters for this space is about 4.6 square meters. And you can imagine when we increase the height, this will be very large, and this is very convenient. And you guys can see here, although we have just installed a ladder here, so when we take it off or put it to the side, the space is much bigger, and you guys can just put in a desk here and put in some hanging chairs here, and at least we could go for 4 persons inside of here. And another point is when you're sleeping on the top for the rooftop tent, when you picking up your dogs, your pets, animals, and sometimes you guys may put in the animals on the rooftop tent, and some others will not, and they will put their dogs on here. It will save a lot of space, and it will be much more clean. And another point is, of course, you guys could see with our mosquito nest, and we have 3 mosquito nests. Each side we have mosquito nest, and of course the mosquito nest give you guys the space to looking outside. And if even some days if you don't want to put in the mosquito net and just close it, we do have our window. We will call it for the light bar. You guys can see this is our light bar. So no matter what kind of the situations, you guys could all using this. Now sometimes if it's cold enough, you guys need to close in all the windows. The light won't get in, but after we do have the light bar, it will be very easily to let the sun to get in. So that will be another advantage of this product. Some of you guys may ask me if it's good to install it. I'm one person who is okay to setting up very easy way. And our answer is it takes time, but it's not so good to install it. Not like other brands, they need to install a lot of different kind of structures when setting up. But ours, we just need leak and the post. There's nothing else we need to install on the rooftop connectors. We just need 2 things: the cover and the post. Others we won't set it. And if you asking us, well, what's more is we have just need to put the structure already here. That will be the only point. But this is we have just installed it already. Let's see. And when we enter to the rooftop tent, and we can make sure the space is really enough. Because you guys may have questions that we have to install the annex room with the window part, not the whole rooftop tent. But ours, if the space is really enough, inside of it, really the space is enough. And another here to setting up the whole annex room very easily. And we have just listened to our clients that you guys may asking us that our annex room, as the first time we have just making it, we have the holes here. You need to enter all the holes to make sure you have setting up the annex room already. But after that, we think it will be too difficult for you guys to using that. We have just changing it. You can see this is the background part. It will be very easier. The setting is you just need to click off and then zip. That's it. It will be much more easier than the holes we have been using before. So that's one of our updating version. It will be much more clear for you guys to see Accessory. And you guys can see here the space is really big enough, and 4.6 square meters on the ground, and the height is even higher. And you guys can see here, it will be very easily to stay in 4 persons inside. That's all about today's video. So if you guys are interested in the video or you have any comments, please write down the comments down below, and we will see you next time.